In the previous video, I have discussed about list manipulation. Now in this video, I am going to discuss about dictionaries and a program. Now let us see what are dictionaries. Dictionaries are data types that fall under mapping. It maps set of keys with set of values. Key and value pairs are called as items. Now I will explain these points with example, but before that we will see the points. So the third point is key and value pairs are called as items. It is an unordered collection of key and value pair. Items are written within curly braces. Key is separated from its value with colon. Every key must be unique. Now this we will see with an example. We will see dictionaries with an example. Okay, I am going to create a student dictionary in which I am going to store the marks, average marks of students. Okay, I am creating student dictionary in which I am going to store the marks. As I have told you in the points, you have to write the dictionaries or define the dictionaries within the curly braces. So I have put the curly braces here, and here in this I'm going to store the names of the students with their average marks. So I'm going to store, suppose the student name is John, and I am storing his average mark as 95. So here in this example, John is a key and 95 is its corresponding value. So it is a key and value pair. If you want to add more values, you can separate them by commas. The next value I am going to write is John, and next one is Smith. I am going to store the average marks of Smith as 92, and the third one Peter, and his marks I am storing as 96. So I have stored 3 students in the dictionary with the name and the marks. So it is key and value pair. So it is a collection of key and value pair. Set of keys are mapped to set of values. Okay, so each key and value pair is called as an item. So this single key value pair is called as an item. And you have to remember that dictionaries are unordered. They won't get displayed in the order you are storing the values. The order may get, you may get mixed order also. Okay, let us see, print the dictionary and see. Okay, so here you have got the order. You may not get the same order. Okay, so it is unordered. If you want to access, you have to access the value using the key. Okay, suppose if I want to access the value of Smith, I want to see the value of Smith, I can just write print student underscore dictionary, and you have to write within the square brackets Smith. See, the value of Smith is 92. Okay, so you have to access the value using the key. So in this way you can create the dictionaries and see. So this is the introduction to dictionary. Now we will see a program. But before that, if you like my videos and if you have not subscribed to my videos yet, you can subscribe to my channel Ishwari Classes and watch the videos. Menu driven program to input friends' name and their phone numbers using dictionaries. Operations to be performed on dictionary are: the first operation is display the name and phone number of all friends. The second operation is add a new friend. And the third one is delete a particular friend. Fourth one, modify phone number of existing friend. And fifth one is display all dictionaries in sorted order of names. Add a new friend. Now I have written a while loop inside which I have written the menu. I have displayed the menu over here, and then if the user chooses the choice is 2, when the choice is 2, new friend will get added. That is the name of the friend as well as the number of the friend will get stored in variables name and number, and I am going to store this value in the dictionary friend. See here, I have created friend dictionary, and I am going to store in friend dictionary in the form of key and value pair. Name will be the key over here and number will be the value. So if choice is equal to 2, if user enters the choice as 2, I am taking the name from the user and storing in variable name, and then number from the user and storing in variable number, and I am storing in dictionary as friend of name is equal to number. Okay, where name is the key and number is the value. So in dictionary, data will be stored in the form of key and value pair. Now after this, let us see how to display all the elements. Okay, now that is, if the choice is 1, display all. Here I have written the code. If choice is equal to 1, you have to check whether the dictionary is empty. If dictionary is empty, you cannot display any value, so there are no friends. So here the bool will return you true or false. If friend dictionary is empty, the bool function will return you false. Else what you have to do is you have to run a for loop for each key in the friend dictionary. For key in friend, and then you print the key as well as the value. Key is nothing but name and value is nothing but the number stored in that particular name. So this is about choice 1 and choice 2, that is display all and add a new friend. Let us run the program and see. Okay, so I'm going to enter the choices to store the friend name and the phone number. Friend name I'm entering as John, and his number I'm entering here. Okay, now if you want to see whether the friend name and number got added, you can go for choice 1, that is display all. See, John and his number got stored in the dictionary and it is displaying the value. We have run the for loop for displaying the key and value pair over here. Okay, if you want to add more friends, you can go for choice 2. Carl, and his number is just storing. And if you want to see all the data, choices 1. See, 2 friends name got displayed. Okay, so this is how you display all the friends. Now we will see how to delete a friend from the dictionary. Okay, so here the choice is 3. How to delete a friend from the dictionary. So if the choice is 3, the very first thing you have to do is you have to take friend's name from the user, okay, and store it in a variable name. a very simple statement, pop. This statement will delete the name from the dictionary if you specify the name as argument over here. Okay, so friend dot pop, and you have to specify the name which you want to delete. Okay, the name will get removed from the dictionary. Let's run the program and see. Now I'm going to run the program once again freshly to see the function of a delete. Okay, so I'm going to enter two friend details, choice 2, and then I am going to enter same thing, John, and his number, and then I'm going to enter one more friend whose name is Raj, and his name number. Now I'm going to display all. See, two friend details are added here, and I want to delete now Raj, so I am entering the choices 3. And enter the friend name you want to delete. I'm going to enter Raj. Okay, now it got deleted. Let us display and see. See, Raj got deleted, and I have got only John here. Raj got deleted when I displayed all the friends. Okay, now if you want to exit, you can click, you can enter the choices 6. Now it has come back to the shell prompt. Now let us see how to modify a friend. Modify a number, modify the phone number of a friend. So that is choice 4. If choice is 4, you have to take the name of the friend whose phone number you want to modify in the variable name, and you have to check whether that name is present in the friend dictionary. That is, if name, here you have to remember that name is here name is key and phone number is the value, and you are checking whether that key name is present in the dictionary, friend dictionary. If that key is present in the dictionary, you are going to take new number from the user, phone number from the user, and you are going to replace it. Like if friend name is equal to num, what will happen? It will replace the old value with the new value. The key would be the same. If name is not present in the friend dictionary, you are going to display the message that friend does not exist. Okay, this is how modify works. Let us see how the program runs. Run the program freshly to check how the modify function, modify operation is done on the dictionaries. Okay, so let us run the program. Okay, I am going to enter the choice choices 2, and I am entering the friend name as Ram, and then the number. If you want to display all, so Ram got stored. Now if you want to modify the number of the Ram, you have to go for option or choice 4. So I'm going to enter in the choices 4. Enter the name of friend whose number you want to modify. So I'm entering as Ram. Enter the new phone number. Yes, it has checked whether Ram is present in the dictionary, and then yes, Ram is present. Now it is asking for the phone number, and I'm entering the new phone number here. Okay, and I am going to check whether the phone number got modified. So display all. See here, Ram and the number got modified. The old number was this and now the new number is this. It got modified. So this is how modify works. Let us exit. And the last choice is order by name. If you want to order or sort the dictionary, you have to go for option 5. Now in this option, in this choice is equal to 5, what I am doing is I am going to sort the dictionary. So I am using the function sorted, but sorted will work only on the list. It will sort the list. So what I am going to do is I am going to use the method items. Friend.items will return you a list of tuples, and each tuple will have key and value pair, and that list is passed as argument to the sorted, and it will give you sorted list. Okay, this function sorted will sort the list and it will return the sorted list, which is converted back to dictionary, and I am storing it back in friend dictionary. After sorting the list, after sorting the dictionary, I am running the for loop for displaying each member in the dictionary. I am running the for loop for each key in the friend. Okay, and I am displaying the values. Okay, let's see how the program runs. Let us run the program freshly to see the working of order by name. Okay, so I am going to enter 3 friends details. Okay, choice is to Ram and his number. Again choice to Dheeraj, his number, and then I'm going to enter again. I'm going to enter the name as Angel this time, and the number of Angel. Now I have entered three names, Ram, Dheeraj and Angel, and I am going to sort them by name. I am going to enter the choices 5. See, it got sorted by name. The very first name is Angel, the second name is Dheeraj, and the third name is Ram. So it got sorted by name, and the numbers got displayed. So this is how order by name works. That is, we are using the function sorted, and it will retain your list which is getting converted back to dictionary, and you are running the loop for displaying the elements in the dictionary, items in the dictionary. Okay, so this is how you write the program for creating a dictionary to store the friend's name and number. It's a menu driven program. You can try it and see. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel Ishwari Classes and watch more videos in the future. Upcoming videos you can watch. So don't forget to share it with your friends and like it. Thank you.